everyone. Today I'm Jyoti Singh, Geology Optional Faculty. We'll cover one of the very important topic of our Geology Optional UPSC, right? So the topic is your glycolysis. This topic comes in your paper 2, optional paper 2. Okay. So first of all, we'll talk about simple glycolysis. Glycolysis, है ना? As we know, there are so many words related with your glycogen, glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, glucogenesis, right? So first of all, we should know how we can just decipher this word, right? We don't need to do the rectification for that. We simply need to understand the meaning of that. Okay. So whenever we see any word in the biology or any term in the biology, the first thing we should do, like in your section 1, question number 1 and question number 5, है ना, in each section, in any paper, it's not about paper 1 and paper 2. Generally the section 1 has one ABCD part, and that has question with the terminologies, right? So simply start, and you don't know what to write, and simply you can start with the introduction, just deciphering the word. Okay. Just like the glycolysis, such as if we say, okay, so first we talk about the glycolysis, then we tell the how you can just decipher the word. Okay. So glycolysis is made up of mainly your two words, right? So the first is your glycogen, है ना, and lysis is your lysis is simply lysis. Glycogen, as we know, that is one of the very common sugar, है ना, even in the your uh, various plant product has a glycogen. Glycogen simple, it's a carbohydrate, and lysis मतलब it's your breakdown, है ना. So what we have to do, what we are going to cover, that breakdown of that glycogen or the glucose molecule, simple write it down, है ना. Such as, suppose that if we are writing gluconeogenesis, है ना, gluconeogenesis, that means something is forming, right? Something is forming, है ना. So glucogen is forming, right, like that, है ना. So simply start with your introduction, that what is the term related with. Glycolysis process is a simple process, occurs in the all living cells in the cellular metabolism. Okay. So what we know about it, okay, start with that breakdown of glucogen, है ना. Then simple, if we start the introduction, it is also known as, it is also known as EMP pathway. What is EMP pathway? Emden, Meyerhoff and Parson. What is that? Emden, Meyerhoff, Parnison. Okay, pathway. Who was that? Actually, the glycolysis name is also known as the EMP because of their contribution to talk about, to think about, to discover about that glycolysis. Glycolysis is one of the very important process, right? So whatever we take inside that our diet, है ना, तो उसमें क्या होता है, the blood vessels of our stomach or the intestine of the digestive system absorb that, है ना, and that is the breakdown and the formation of that sugar molecule converts and in another form and provides the energy, right? This is a simple process. So yes, because of that, it is a very important process. It is one of the most common process, or it is the most common process. One it is one of the most common process, okay, occurs in all living organisms. All living organisms. We will know even in your prokaryotes also, है ना. Both prokaryotes, both, you don't need to even sometimes write it. It's all living में तो आपके prokaryotes और eukaryotes दोनों आ जाते हैं, ठीक है. It is a cellular metabolic pathway. It is cellular metabolic pathway in which occurs in the cytosol, right? So if I'm saying that it occurs in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, of course cytosol found in both. There are, what is the difference between the bacteria and that prokaryotes and eukaryotes? That bacteria do not have the double membrane bound structure such as your nucleus, है ना, such as your mitochondria, right? But when I'm saying that this glycolysis process occurs in the cytosol, cytosol is generally simple cytoplasm, right? The basic material of your cell. That is why metabolic pathway occurs occurs in the cytosol, occurs in the cytosol. I know, of course, you guys will, if you think about the glycolysis, of course you know the basic thing, you'll find that, but we have to cover, it's a UPSC, right? So we have to cover the introduction plus body part plus conclusion. So you guys should know and must know that what the content you can write in your introduction. It occurs in your cytosol, and if you are not writing this point in that introduction, you can simply like write it then, that location, है ना, ऐसे आप separate भी लिख सकते हो, that cytosol of the cell, cytosol of the cell. Okay, then you can write the physiology. Physiology is, it is a both aerobic and anaerobic. Yes, it is both aerobic and anaerobic. We generally heard that it is an anaerobic, but no, it is actually anaerobic process, occurs in the absence of oxygen, but it depends on what is the product. When we are breaking that glycogen, है ना, जैसे हमने लिखा नहीं है, in this glycogen molecule breaks down in the pyruvate, in the pyruvate and lactic acid, and lactic acid, depending upon them, depending upon them, it is both, it is both aerobic and anaerobic process, aerobic and anaerobic process, right? If you have enough content in the introduction, do not write this part in the introduction. Simple, है ना? You can simply write the location, है ना, the product, the physiology. You can write after that introduction in the point form. That will also be good enough. Okay. Now we'll talk about what is glycolysis. Okay. So simple. We are not going to make the chemical formula of each, right? Because that is not required. But if you have a good amount of time, you can just simply form. What is the formula of glucose? Simple. C6H12O6, right? C6H12O6. That means it's glucose is your, यहाँ पे even you can write it. What is a substrate, है ना? जैसे कि suppose that if you want to write it separately, then you can write it the location, then you can write it as a substrate, right? Then you can write it as a physiology. There can be more than 3 or 2 4 points. Then you can write the products, है ना? After the introduction, you can write these points also, right? So glucose is your monosaccharides, isn't it? Glucose is your monosaccharide, है ना? Simple formula is C6H12O6. Generally, when we cover the carbohydrate, we talk about the monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, and the polysaccharide, right? So when we are the monosaccharide, that means it's a simple 6 carbon. So एक तो आपका simple linear structure बनता है, right? That we do not need to form it, है ना? We need to form the इसका ring structure. What is the ring structure of that glucose? How many carbons are there? There are 6 carbons. Then one carbon number 1, C1, C2, C3, C4, and C5. And from the C5 there is a C6. From where we can write it down, CH2OH. Aldehyde, what is the difference between the glucose and the fructose? One has a aldehyde group and one has a ketone group, right? So ये आपका हो गया full carbon, full glucose का ring structure, ठीक है? So from the next page we can continue, or we can just write, okay, from the next page we can continue. So what are the products in the glycolysis? Okay, so glycolysis process, again come to that page. glycolysis process can be divided into mainly two phases, है ना? It can be divided, everyone knows what is the glycolysis, but if I'll say, okay, write it down for the 15 mark, most of the guys will just start writing the body content. You should know how you need to present your answer, how you need to form the structure of your answer. Okay, it can be divided into mainly, it is not divided as a सीधी सीधी भी लिख दोगे then it would not be wrong, but why not to get the brownie points, right? It can be divided into mainly two stages or two parts, better say two parts. Three part means somewhere you will see in one of the biochemistry book there are the three parts, that investment, then splitting, then gaining stage, but better we are writing the two stages only. Okay, so the first is investment stage. What did you, what the product, what the thing you are investing, you are simply investing the energy, right? And the second is your gaining stage, investment stage and gaining stage. Okay, what does that mean? That means simply using of energy, using of energy molecule. What is energy molecule in the living organisms? That is your ATP, right? In the form of ATP. And in the gaining, getting that energy molecule. We can talk about it here, that how many molecules of ATP you consume, the glycolysis process consume, and how many molecules of ATP we get, but we'll talk in the conclusion part. Better we talk about the conclusion part. Okay, getting the energy molecule, getting the ATPs, है ना? Getting the ATPs, or we can यहाँ पे I can just give the reference also, that 2 ATP molecules we consume in that investment stage, and 4 ATP molecule we get from that glycolysis process. So ultimately nature has made the any process which is very efficient, right? So ultimately if you are using if you are using 2 ATP, right, and you are gaining the 4 ATP, that is why ultimately you are having the plus 2 ATP, है ना? That plus 2 ATP molecule. That means you are that process is giving you the energy. That is the process, because of that it occurs in your living organisms. ठीक है? Okay. Abhi next we'll talk about the glucose. What is the body content? So glucose molecule. Okay, glucose molecule again simple. If you do not make the diagram of the chemical structure of everything, just don't make the diagram. You can just make the important stages. CH2OH. ठीक है, ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल से हम क्या बनाते हैं? ग्लूकोज 6-फॉस्फेट, ग्लूकोज 6-फॉस्फेट. सिंपल आपका क्या होगा? आपको इवन इफ यू वांट टू मेक द डायग्राम, राइट, डू नॉट नीड टू पुट द एफर्ट, वी कैन जस्ट सिंपली टॉक अबाउट इट, है ना? अभी लेटर ऑन वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट. ग्लूकोज 6-फॉस्फेट से हम क्या बनाएंगे? फ्रक्टोज. ऑफ कोर्स वी विल टॉक अबाउट द एंजाइम्स आल्सो, do not need to worry. Fructose 6-phosphate. Okay, fructose 6-phosphate से we'll make fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Okay, this is the stages where you consume the energy, right? Like यहाँ पे आपका क्या था? ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल था. यहाँ पे you are adding that phosphate molecule, right? So that means something we are giving there here, है ना? So यहाँ पे we are using that energy of ATP, है ना? ATP become breakdown, right, and converts into ADP plus PI. You don't need to write it down, है ना? ATP plus ADP, और यहाँ पे आपका Mg+2 मॉलिक्यूल प्रेजेंस में एज अ वर्क एज अ कैटालिटिक्स. ठीक है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे फ्रक्टोज 6-फॉस्फेट था. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे आपका, अब वी टॉक अबाउट द एंजाइम्स लेटर ऑन. ओके, सो फ्रक्टोज 6-फॉस्फेट था. अभी यहाँ पे फॉस्फेट इज showing the energy molecule, because when we are talking about the energy molecule, that is your ATP. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So whenever we are adding that phosphate molecule, that means we are consuming that energy, right? So यहाँ पे आपका, okay, if we simply just want to make that diagram, यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया? You know what? यहाँ पे you have done that. यहाँ पे आपने CH2O and then PO4 3 minus, simply, है ना? PO4 3 minus की जगह we will simply write it down फॉस्फेट, ठीक है। यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया, ये आपका कार्बन नंबर कौन सा था, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, दिस इज योर 6 कार्बन, राइट। फर्स्टली वी गेव द कार्बन नंबर 6 पे हमने देखो, तभी दैट्स व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग द ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट। देन अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ग्लूकोज के कार्बन नंबर, सॉरी फ्रक्टोज के, दीज आर द आइसोमर्स, ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज आर आइसोमर्स, वी नो दैट द चेंज ऑफ द दैट केमिकल ग्रुप ओनली अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन, सॉरी अल्डिहाइड, यस, है ना। सो फ्रक्टोज 1,6 फॉस्फेट में नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग दैट, हमने ग्लूकोज के, इट इज वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस, इट इज नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एट ऑल, ओके। सो हमने कार्बन नंबर 6 पे भी क्या कर दिया, फॉस्फेट मॉलिक्यूल, और बेटर से द एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल वी एडेड ऑन, और यहाँ पे भी आपका क्या है, CH2O। most of the students think it is very complicated to make the diagram, it is the easiest form to make the diagram, just है ना, just you need to understand the concept only. Then fructose 1,6 phosphate get split out, get split out, है ना, यहीं पे आपका, that's why this is known as the glycolysis process, है ना, get split out into two forms mainly, the one is glyceraldehyde, okay, so यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, and this is a conversion of isomers, DHAP, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, okay, DHAP, है ना, so the full form is dihydroxyacetone phosphate, ठीक है। So if we, like in this slide when we have written that it is mainly divided in two parts or two stages, है ना, so first it was the investment and second it was the gaining stage, अगर if we want to just make that one more, so we'll just made it the splitting phase, है ना। So where is the gaining or the investment stage, sorry, where is the gaining and the investment stage, look, यहाँ पे हमने यहाँ पे simple glucose था, so we added one phosphate molecule, so we have broke the 180 ATP मॉलिक्यूल, यहाँ पे भी आपका सिंगल फॉस्फेट था, अभी यहाँ पे कितने फॉस्फेट मॉलिक्यूल है, देयर इज अ 2 phosphate molecule, right, so we have to add, so we have to use another ATP molecule, that is your ATP, and then so that's how we say that we are adding that or consuming, this process is consuming that 2 ATP molecule, 1 ATP is here, one ATP is here, है ना। so यहाँ तक आपका क्या हो जाता है, इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टेज, यहाँ पे आपकी क्या हो जाती है, स्प्लिटिंग स्टेज। After that glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, after that this is your first half process, okay, then the next half process is your glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, okay. So from here, wait a minute, so from here we know this is your 6 carbon, this is your 6 carbon, है ना। So when it is breaking down, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and DHAP is your 3 carbon molecule, do not forget 3 carbon molecule, है ना, एक 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल आपके दो 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल में स्प्लिट आउट हो रहे हैं, है ना। सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड 3 फॉस्फेट, ग्लिसरल्डिहाइड 3 फॉस्फेट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू 1, ठीक है, 1,3, then glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate break down into 1,3 glycerate, right, then what we are seeing here, यहाँ पे when we have convert that glyceraldehyde that has a 1 phosphate and DHAP has a 1 phosphate, okay, so यहाँ पे अब 2 molecules, it's just simple, glyceraldehyde and DHAP are the isomers, है ना, they can convert into each other, so यहाँ पे अब यहाँ पे show तो एक glyceraldehyde हो रहा है, but we are using in that process 2, okay, so यहाँ पे आपकी 2 molecule, better write it there, 2 molecule. So glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate convert into 1,3 biphosphoglycerate, then 1,3 biphosphoglycerate convert into 3, यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे फिर 1,3 मतलब यहाँ पे 2 फॉस्फेट है ना, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं 3 phosphoglycerate, 3 phosphoglycerate, and then this 3 phosphoglycerate converts into 2 phosphoglycerate, these are again isomers, 2 phosphoglycerate, and then this 2 phosphoglycerate convert into phosphoenol pyruvate, phosphoenol pyruvate, and this phosphoenol pyruvate convert into your enolase, यहाँ पे लगता है ना, pyruvic acid और simple pyruvate, सिंपल चार्ज फॉर्म में है तो वो पायरुवेट, एंड अदरवाइज इट इज पायरुविक एसिड, पायरुविक एसिड, pyruvic acid because we are using here 3 carbon molecule, है ना, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is your 3 carbon compound, 3 carbon compound. This 3 carbon compound ultimately it is not breaking down another, है ना, in this the whole process. The last product is your pyruvate or the pyruvic acid, whatever you want to say. This is also your 3 carbon compound, 3 carbon compound. Okay, so look, अभी if we want to make the, okay, so one thing here, यहाँ पे आपका क्या था, ग्लिसरॉल्डिहाइड 3 फॉस्फेट था, यहाँ पे आपका NADH प्लस, NAD यहाँ पे भी आपका, दिस इज ऑल्सो योर वन ऑफ दैट एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल, देन 1,3 बाइफॉस्फोग्लिसरेट, है ना, सो यहाँ पे कितने हैं, 2 फॉस्फेट है, और यहाँ पे कितना 3 फॉस्फेट है, अगेन जो कार्बन नंबर 1 पे एक फॉस्फेट होगा वो वहां से रिलीज हो जाएगा, that means we are getting that phosphate molecule, right? So this is your gaining stage. ATP से आपका क्या convert हो रहा है, ATP, the formation of 1 ATP है, और फिर आपका 2 phosphoglycerate से again आपका phosphoenol pyruvate, then pyruvic acid. So phosphoenol pyruvate से when we are making the pyruvic acid, है ना, in the pyruvic acid there is no pyruvic acid का structure very simple है ना, so आपका pyruvic acid का structure है आपका CHOH 1 2 3 4, है ना, और यहाँ पे आपका CH2 double bond. If you want to make that double bond, if you want to make that pyruvate which has a charge, then this is this. Otherwise यहाँ पे आप सिंगल कार्बन लगा के CH3 और C double OH कर दोगे. Simple pyruvic acid is your 3 carbon compound. Okay, so better it is your pyruvate, है ना, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पायरुवेट. जस्ट मेक द वन वाला ग्लूकोज का बना दो, बीच में जहां फॉस्फेट ऐड हो रहे हैं वहां बना दो, और लास्ट में आपका पायरुविक एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर बना दो, टू शो दैट द 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ दैट ग्लूकोज इज कन्वर्टिंग into that pyruvate or pyruvic acid. So we are getting here not one, because यहाँ पे हम लोग कितने मॉलिक्यूल यूज कर रहे हैं, we are using the 2 molecule of the glyceraldehyde, right? So यहाँ पे आपके 2 ATP हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पे भी आपका 2 phosphoenol pyruvate, फिर यहाँ पे भी आपका क्या हो रहा है, ATP से, सॉरी इसको थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस दे देते हैं, ठीक है, phosphoenol pyruvate, ठीक है. So when it is converting again, यहाँ पे आपका ATP से ADP से ATP बन रहा है, so यहाँ पे आपके फिर से 2 molecules ATP बन रहा है, यहाँ पे भी आपके 2 molecules ATP बन रहा है. So in that, look, NADH is also one of your energy molecule, है ना, so यहाँ पे हमें 2 NADH मिल रहा है. Generally it is said that 1 NADH molecule in the earlier books when you see, or in the system, then they say कि 1 NADH से 3 molecules of ATP generation होता है, but this is the process to convert that NADH से, but actually 2.5 ATP molecules का generation होता है from 1 ATP. So if we are not counting that NADH molecule, we are simply counting that ATP and ADP. So look here, how many ATPs are consuming? यहाँ पे आपका 1 ATP है ना, because it is 6 molecule, यहाँ पे आपका 1 ATP है ना, 1 ATP यहाँ पे आपके कितने ATP यूज हो रहे हैं, 2 ATP is using there, 2 ATP is consuming there, consumption of 2 ATP, consumption of 2 ATP, because it is your investment stage, right? As we have investment stage, okay, and this is your this is the 2 ATP molecule and this is the 2 ATP molecule. This is your gaining stage. This is your gaining stage. So ultimately, if we talk about it, है ना, ultimately again as we have already talked about, 2 ATP is consuming and 4 ATPs we are getting. So in that last we are actually getting 2 ATP molecule, है ना, 4 में से 2 of course minus कर देंगे. Then आपको कोई भी चीज रटनी नहीं है ना, simple understand करना है. यहाँ पे ग्लूकोज से ग्लूकोज, if you are making that glucose 6 phosphate, then from the glucose, then what would be the enzyme we are using here? because we are using that phosphate, है ना. So we know that enzyme के लास्ट में एज लगता है. So यहाँ पे आपका सिंपल एंजाइम है hexokinase. Hexokinase. Okay. The process, remember this is a core line. The process where the ATP molecule or the energy molecule is using or the getting whatever it is, है ना, even then when investment phase or in the gaining phase, that is your irreversible process. So 1, 3, 5 and I think 7 and 9. They the 5 stages are irreversible process because energy is using or energy is getting. Otherwise, such as if you are saying that glucose 6 phosphate to fructose 6 phosphate, this is your reversible process. Okay, so you can just also be more specific. You can simply say this is your reversible process. Again, यहाँ पे आपका fructose 6 phosphate से यहाँ पे आपको कौन सा लगेगा, isomerase, because these both of this glucose and fructose are your isomers. So simple enzyme is using isomerase. Okay, so next fructose 6 phosphate to fructose 1,6 biphosphate, यहाँ पे आप simple लगा दो fructose kinase, phosphofructokinase actually, है ना. So यहाँ पे आपका एंजाइम है, the enzyme is phosphofructokinase, है ना. Look how we are getting here, जहां पे भी आपका एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल है, फॉस्फेट मॉलिक्यूल है, वहां पे आपका काइनेज एक्टिविटी है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपका फॉस्फोफ्रक्टोकाइनेज है, यहाँ पे आपका इनोलेज है. ठीक है, सॉरी इनोलेज यहाँ पे आपका, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 2 फॉस्फोग्लिसराइड से यहाँ पे बन रहा है, तो दिस इज योर इनोलेज. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पे आपका 3 फॉस्फोग्लिसराइड से फॉस्फो, यहाँ पे भी आपका क्या होगा, फॉस्फोफ्रक्टो आइसोमरेस, है ना. यहाँ पे आपका पायरुवेट काइनेस, यहाँ पे आपका ओके पायरुवेट काइनेस रहने देते हैं बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग वी डू नॉट रिक्वायर. ठीक है, म्यूटेज ऐसे करके बहुत सारे एंजाइम्स आपके यहाँ पे यूज होते हैं. दिस इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस कि आपका जो गेनिंग स्टेज होता है, ठीक है, वहां पे आपका व्हेन वी आर कन्वर्टिंग दैट 1,3 फॉस्फो बाइफॉस्फोग्लिसरेट से व्हेन वी आर कन्वर्टिंग दैट 3 फॉस्फोग्लिसरेट, है ना. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट. एक आपका ये स्टार और एक आपका ये स्टार, these are your substrate level phosphorylation. You have to have mentioned this topic, substrate level phosphorylation. What is the substrate level phosphorylation? This is also and this is also, है ना. ये आपकी substrate level phosphorylation है. What is the substrate level phosphorylation? Simple substrate level phosphorylation, it is using without that ATP synthase, है ना. When we are adding that phosphate or when we are adding the phosphate or when we are gaining that energy, it is generally occurring with the help of that ATP synthase. But in that substrate level phosphorylation, there is not the using of ATP synthase, but it occur at your direct substrate level. जहां जिस प्रोडक्ट से एनर्जी फॉस्फेट मॉलिक्यूल का ट्रांसफर होना है, डायरेक्ट इट इज ट्रांसफरिंग टू योर प्रोडक्ट. देयर इट इज नॉट यूजिंग द एटीपी सिंथेसिस. दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, पॉइंट है ना. सो व्हाट यू राइट इन द कंक्लूजन, यू कैन सिंपली टॉक अबाउट इन द कंक्लूजन, you can talk about the total or net gain of energy molecule. You can also talk about NADH here, है ना, 2.5 ATP net gain of energy molecule. Okay, then you can also talk about it, what is the significance of that, है ना, what is the significance of that. I'm just giving you context, है ना. Then before that you can also talk about there are some inhibitor, है ना. Some inhibitors are those compounds which generally stop the reaction, है ना. So such as यहाँ पे आपके बहुत सारे टाइप के inhibitors होते हैं. एक जैसे यहाँ पे if you have mentioned the Mg+2 is act as a catalytic, है ना, that increases that reaction, है ना. So sometimes the inhibitor at the substrate level such as fructose, यहाँ पे आपका जो hexokinase होता है, यहाँ पे आपका hexokinase और glucokinase भी होता है. ठीक है. So sometimes we know that enzyme follows that lock-in key hypothesis, that enzyme has a specificity with that substrate. So sometimes in the active site of that enzyme there are another similar type of substrate can also fit in that. So that generally inhibit the process, है ना. So you can also talk about the inhibition. ठीक है. So this is your ultimately whole glycolysis process. You do not need to that ratification. Simple understand the process and you can also mention that which of the okay, reversibility and irreversibility process you can also mention here. जैसे कि suppose that in the gaining stage जहां पे भी आपको phosphate molecule या ATP molecule मिल रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जैसे 3-phosphoglycerate से simple phosphate molecule was present on your carbon number 3, but here the phosphate molecule shifted on your carbon number 2, है ना. So this is your reversible or irreversible process because these are the isomerase, है ना. So of course this is your simple reversible process. It can convert into again like that, है ना. But when we are talking the यहाँ पे ये भी आपका एनोलिस, यहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं, ये भी आपका it can be also reversible process. But जहाँ पे energy molecule again we are getting that energy molecule like this and this is your irreversible process. That irreversible process we know, of course, that cannot be converted into substrate at that amount. You need to put that energy again, है ना. So this is your glycolysis. If there is any doubt, you can just simple put me in the comment. Thank you everyone.